Hi sunshine, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. We're starting in a comfortable cross-legged position. Rest your hands on your knees as you drop your head back. And now tuck your chin in towards your chest as you round your upper back. Again, drop your head back, maybe arching your back a little bit. And round your spine as you tuck your chin. Start to walk your hands forward, coming into a forward fold. Relax your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Slowly rise back up. Reach your arms forward. Touch your hands together. And now lift your arms overhead, maybe arch back a little bit, and twist to the right, placing your left hand on your right knee, looking over your right shoulder. Come back to center, reaching the arms forward, touching the palms, reaching all the way up, and twist to the left, looking over the left shoulder. Make your way into a tabletop position on your hands and knees. Cow pose, arch your back as you look up at the ceiling. Cat pose, round your spine and tuck your chin in towards your chest. Begin to move through your cat-cows at your own pace. Maybe you start to add in some extra intuitive movement. Not thinking about it, just allowing your body to flow. Come back to your tabletop as you extend your right leg behind you, pointing the toe, keeping the leg straight as you look down. Begin to pulse your leg up and down, just doing some tiny lifts. Just 3 more. Last 2 and 1. Keep the leg there. Pull your right knee towards your right elbow and extend the leg behind you. So again, we pull the knee to the elbow, extend. You have 3 more. Last 1. Straighten the leg as you lower down onto your forearms. Flex your foot and bend your knee as you pulse your leg up, just kicking the ceiling with your foot. Just 3 more. 2 and 1. Lower that knee down, straight into the other side. Come back on your hands. Extend your left leg behind. And pulse the leg up. Last 3, 2, and 1. Pull your left knee to your left elbow and extend the leg behind you. We have 4 more. This is your last one. Extend the leg, lower down onto your forearms, flex your foot as you bend your knee and pulse that leg up. Last 3, 2, and 1. Lower the knee down, come back onto your hands, curl your toes under, and lift your knees for hovering tabletop. Downward facing dog, send your hips up and back and shake your legs out. Straighten both legs. Look forward. Step to the top of your mat. Halfway lift, hands to shins, lengthen your spine. High plank, plant your palms as you step your feet back and take some slow mountain climbers, driving your knee into your chest. Just 3 more. 2, and 1. Downward facing dog. Look forward as you step to the top of your mat. Halfway lift, lengthen your spine. Forward fold. From here, let's open the legs, and you are going to grab one of your blocks and you're going to place that block underneath your left foot. So your left foot is stepping on top of the block. Let's stand. Bring your hands to heart center and sit your hips low in a squat. And now you stand. And we are just repeating that squat. So you squat and you stand. Keep your weight in your heels. Fuck anyone that's bringing you down. Sweetheart, you're doing your thing right now. Let's just do one more and then we're gonna add on. So now you squat and you lift your right leg. So you place all the weight in your left foot and you lower down and squat again. So we are just repeating that. You are squatting and you are lifting that knee. I know it's a little balance challenge, but I know that you are more than capable. So make sure you are doing it. Just give me one more. Now let's squat and pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now just hold it here. Just hold it and breathe. You can do it. And relax. Don't you feel so amazing? I know you do. So let's do it on the other side. You're like, no, Ramoni, everything hurts. Everything hurts over here with me too. All right, block is underneath that right foot and you are doing your basic squats. Let's just do one more, and then you are adding that knee. So you squat, and then you lift the left knee and go back into that squat and lift it again, and you are repeating that. All right, just give me one more. Squat and pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold it. And now we stand, and you move that block out the way. Meet me in a chair pose. Sit your hips back, reach your arms up. Forward fold. Halfway lift. High plank. Take some slow mountain climbers. This is your last time, so give it your all. You can do it. Just 2 more. Last one. And lower onto your belly, pressing into an upward facing dog. In a child's pose, sit your hips back and take some deep breaths. Take one more big inhale in through your nose and let it out. You made it to the end of your workout, so don't forget to leave a sun emoji in the comments to check in. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I will see you in the next one.